create a simple circuit by soldering various electronic components with the help of a dot PCB. So we are creating the simple circuit where we require an LED. Now this is the symbol wherein the anode and cathode have been mentioned. The long lead is the anode and the shorter one will be the cathode. If the leads are equally trimmed, you can feel and observe a flat spot towards the side of the cathode. So we need to forward bias this LED. A resistor can be placed either way and don't have a specific direction of current flow like LEDs or diodes. Here we are using a 330 ohm resistor. Resistor color code can be used to obtain the value of resistance of any resistor. Here's the guide. A battery. This is a 9-volt battery, and as you can see, the positive and negative sides are always mentioned. A tactile switch. If you turn the switch upside down, you will observe 4 pins. Now these 3 and 4 pins on the right hand side are internally connected, while the pins 1 and 2 on the left hand side are connected together. From the gap in the middle, you can easily identify which 2 pairs are connected together. This tactile switch comprises of a cover, a plunger, contact dome, base and pins. In the relaxed state, the switch is off and the circuit is open. But whenever this plunger or button is pressed, the metal dome deforms its shape, which in turn connects all 4 pins together, completing a circuit and hence activating the device, which makes the LED glow. A cutter to trim excess wires or leads after soldering. Now make the connections according to the circuit and finally solder the respective wires to complete the circuit. Here we are taking a perf board or a perforated circuit board, also known as prototyping board or dot printed circuit board. As you can see, a layer of copper is present only on one side of the board. So you can insert your components into the matte side of the board and connect them through soldering onto the other side containing copper layer.
ये पहले हमने लगाया रजिस्टर 330 ओम और ये एलईडी की पॉजिटिव वायर है, जो लॉन्ग वायर है वो पॉजिटिव है, शॉर्ट वायर ये नेगेटिव है। तो इस सर्किट कंप्लीट करने के लिए लॉन्ग वायर पॉजिटिव रजिस्टर से, शॉर्ट वायर ये हमारे स्विच में चली जाएगी और ये हमारा स्विच है। तो ये रजिस्टर है 330 ओम का और ये एलईडी और ये स्विच। तो अब इनके बीच में सर्किट बनाना है, तो एलईडी की वायर यहाँ लगेगी और यहाँ से नेगेटिव हमारा उसमें चले जाएगा बैटरी में, कि सर्किट कंप्लीट हो जाए पूरा। एलईडी को रजिस्टर से जोड़ दिया मैंने और ये इसको यहाँ सोल्डर कर देंगे, जो एलईडी का नेगेटिव है स्विच से, और स्विच का दूसरा एंड वो बैटरी के नेगेटिव से चले जाएगा। बैटरी का पॉजिटिव ये रेड वायर आ रही है और ये ब्लैक वाली नेगेटिव है हमारी, तो नेगेटिव चली जाएगी स्विच में। इसको सोल्डर कर देंगे। अब ये सोल्डर आयरन है और ये सोल्डर वायर, इसको हम मेल्ट करते हैं इस पर। अभी हमारा सोल्डर हो चुका है, सर्किट कंप्लीट हो गया पूरा।
And now whenever you press the switch, the LED will glow.